Hello, here's a quick video to walk you through how to access your ebook so that you can read your chapters for class. So I am on the homepage of a Canvas course, and you're going to navigate over here to McGraw-Hill Connect. So I don't want you to go over here to get to your assignments. I want you to go through modules to get to assignments, but to access the ebook, this would be the button that you use. So if you have your Connect account already set up, it'll go straight into allowing you access to Connect. If you don't, it's going to prompt you and you'll need to set up a new account. If you have a previous Connect account, you can certainly log into that. But if you've never used Connect before, just use the new user account setup and do not pay a fee. There is no need to do that. So if you're getting prompted, you're not quite in the right place, reach out to me and we'll get that straightened out. So I'm going to click on the Connect here, and I'm in my view. It might look a tiny little bit different on your end, but just kind of see what I'm doing here, and hopefully that will help you navigate what you need to do on your end. So you're going to go into your Connect account. So again, after you have your Connect account set up, you'll have that option. And what you're looking for is this right here. So I peeked at a student's screen in class this week and saw that it looks like from you guys, maybe it's on the left side, but it looks the same. I think just the placement on the page was different. So you're looking for the science of psychology. You're looking for this graphic right here. I know it's kind of small for on this video, but it has a white background with some blue text, and it has an orange slice with like some juice coming off of it. And below that, you'll see launch ebook, and you'll click on that and it will take you into your e-reader. And then you can navigate using the table of contents here. You can have it read aloud to you. You can change the font size if you need it bigger or smaller. You can get all fancy and highlight and take notes. If you are using a tablet of some sort, I have seen some issues with some tablets, not all of them, it works fine on some, not have the plugin or I don't know, whatever is needed to run the reader. So you'll need to use it on a desktop or on a laptop computer if that's the case and your tablet or phone is not allowing you to read the textbook. So I hope that helps. Have a good rest of your day.